Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners with no money. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you know which products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not, as far as you making money. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the affiliate marketing for beginners. I'm going to give you some, what I believe are some of the top affiliate marketing programs, and they're all completely free. And you probably know some of these, but just in case you don't, the first one is Amazon Associates, and you can create a free account. After that, to get your affiliate link, you would go to product links. You can promote any product on Amazon, and you can just search here either by the ASIN or the keyword. So let's just say we're going to sell some kind of, maybe you have a blog that's about mold, how to get rid of mold, and you're going to promote a HEPA vac. You can see like this first one is $180. Now they don't pay out very much as far as percentage, like 3 to 5%. I think maybe up to 10 possibly on some. It depends on how much you've sold. So you just click on get links, and then if you click on text only, you can see here. Okay, you can get a short link here. So let's say we're going to do a YouTube video and do a product review, something that you really love, and then you would have a call to action at the end of the video where you said if you want to try this product out for yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description below this video. You would just put this Amazon link here and it would take them back to your, you would get the commission on that. So that's the first one is Amazon Associates. The second one is Bluehost, and that's a web hosting. So see, this again is completely free. You just click on affiliates and you sign up, and if you refer someone, you earn $65 for each sign up, and they give you all kinds of affiliate tools to work with here. So that's if somebody gets a blog, they're going to need hosting. Just an idea for you with that. I met John Chow at an internet marketing event one time, and this is what he does. He makes a lot of money doing this, actually, because he gets a lot of traffic to his blog. But what he does, okay, let's click on home. There it is, his blog. So he has this banner here, Start Your WordPress Blog, free installation and blog setup. So what he does is he says that he's going to create this or install WordPress and create this blog with these different things, and the catch is that it's going to be sponsored by HostGator. Now you could do the same thing with Bluehost. He does it with HostGator, so that's actually another idea for you, because this is, I think, it's the residual, and so everyone who gets their blog created by him has to go through his affiliate link for the web hosting. So that's one way that I know he makes a lot of money on his blog, and that's one of the main ways that he does it. So that's just an idea there for you. Bluehost. The third one is Share a Sale. That's here, and that's again free, and you can see all the different products on here. Green Merchants, Fashion, you've got Home and Garden right here. So that's the third one. Fourth one is Ebates. And if you're not familiar with that, it's basically a site where you go through and you get cash back on all different kinds of stores. So you can see some of the cashback offers here, but their affiliate program is really great because you invite your friends, they join and spend at least $25, then you'll get $25 and they'll get $10. So you can invite them by email, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter. Here's your, right here is your affiliate link. And you could even do a YouTube video telling about what a great affiliate program this is, and then include your link in the description of your video. And then the last one is Shutterstock, and I didn't even actually know there was an affiliate program with Shutterstock, but it says that you can join, of course, for free and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. And it's not just images, there's other things. There's vectors, illustrations, videos, and music. And so you're going to earn commission 20% on all of those things if someone goes through your affiliate link. And you get paid through PayPal. Of course, PayPal right now is shutting down marketers' accounts, but then you can also get it through e-transfer. So those are just some ideas for you as far as making money through affiliate marketing for beginners. Those 5 programs would help you to make some money, and you don't have to spend any money to join those. So if you guys found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and if you want to learn other topics, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to learn about. And again, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and making money online, make sure you subscribe. And also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.